Buongiorno, buonasera, buonanotte. David, the chairman, is in Italy at the moment with as many pairs of sunglasses and probably enjoying a ham and pineapple pizza as we speak. So it's been left to me, John, the manager of Morecambe, to actually just give you a little explainer about the community markets that we've introduced and running on a trial basis. We ran yesterday on Wednesday, which was really successful, and we're running again on Sunday. So what we're going to have to do is have a little walking tour through town, up Euston Road, Market Street, top of Victoria Street and Newtown Square, showing you the layouts for Sunday, and we'd really like to see you all down here supporting our local artisans and traders. Okay, through the wonders of technology, let's flip the camera and go for a walk. So here we are at the top of Euston Road, overlooking the wonderful Morecambe Bay. As Bill Bryson said in one of his books, it may be the best bay in Britain, and man, that's quite an accolade. Anyway, we're not here to talk about Morecambe Bay because you all know about that and love it, but we're just going to little walking tour of actually where the community market is going to be again on this Sunday. So we're looking down to the international markets. They're here till this Sunday. International, as the name implies, they're selling things from all around the world, and they come from all around the UK. Our community markets are based on being local and district traders and offering artisan crafts and foods that you can all enjoy and actually find locally. So we're going to do a little spin around because I can, my legs are still working. And so our first stalls are going to be around about here, and afters we'll walk up towards Market Street and Victoria Street. So on the old Barclays we'll have more stalls there. As you know, you can come in many different angles and you'll find all these different arts and crafts on offer. So down Euston Road, the main shopping centre, we'll have more stores. Now the idea behind the community markets was to be able to offer arts and crafts and foods from local traders and artisans to put money back into the local economy. We're running these on a trial basis. It was yesterday, Wednesday, which was very busy, and Sunday, and we expect it to be a lot busier. The weather's going to be fantastic. The Maritime Festival's on Saturday, but the international markets are also here on Sunday. But the trial was for a Wednesday and a Sunday to see which day worked best for future markets. We'd like to introduce them on a regular basis, and we definitely want to do a Christmas market, so stay tuned. So down here will be traders, arts and crafts, homemade jewellery, some community groups as well. So there's offerings for everyone. And also, don't forget, we do have shops down here as well. So pop in, see them, and whilst you're here, wander down Pedder Street, Victoria Street, Queen Street, and down the Prom, and support our local traders. Okay, wandering further down, the food offerings will all be local traders. We'll have African, Caribbean, pizza, gluten-free shortbread, and of course the JP's Bakery. Wonderful homemade bread down there. And that'll be all down in the Newtown Square area, where there's plenty of room to mingle, plenty of room to eat, and of course plenty of room to browse. And then we've got the Arndale if you need anything on a last minute basis. But here we are. So this is to let you know we're back again on Sunday, and we'd love to see you. So times are from 10 o'clock till 4 p.m. And of course, if you want to fund my GoFundMe for a new pair of sunglasses, please do. I only have one pair, so I wouldn't say no. Thank you very much. Enjoy the weekend.